Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making video for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew harem pants. For this, I take 2-meter long fabric. It's a linen fabric. You can take any other fabric also. After sewed, this pant look like this. You can call it drop crotch pants also. Before cutting and stitching, I am making a draft for your better understanding. I take a card sheet. It's a square card sheet. I fold it in a half and make a triangle. After that, fold this triangle again like that. Now this is 2 pairs and 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now keep it like that. First take the total measurement of your pant. Suppose its total length is 9 inches. After that, I will take the measurement of the ankle round. This is the 3 inches. Mark it, and after that I will cut it. Now open it. Now this is the time to take the measurement of total length. If total length is 9, so I am marking in on 7. And for 3 inches I will make a waistband. In waistband I have included the 1 inch for seams allowance. Mark on both sides and then make a guideline on that. After that, cut it from the sheet. After that, I will sew the ankle round first. For this, I will attach the slanted strips on ankle rounds like that on both sides. For waistband, I am taking 3 inches wide straight strip. Before attach this strip with this waistband, I will make a pleats in that. Now it is completed. Now this is the time to cut the fabric. This is my main fabric. Its length is 2 meters. It's a square shaped fabric. I am folding it in order to make it triangle shape. After making triangle, I fold it again like that draft. Like that. You can see that. First, I will take the measurement, total measurement, and after that, I will cut the ankle round. Ankle round is 5 inches, and after cutting the ankle round, I will take the total measurement, which is 28 inches. Mark on 5 inches and make a guideline after that. After guideline, cut it off from the fabric. After cutting ankle round, this pant look like this. Now take the measurement of total length on right and left. Then mark on that. Both sides should be equal. After that, make a guideline, straight guideline, and then cut it off from the fabric. After remove this part, I will sew pleats in the center of this pants. Then I will sew the waistband. First, I am going to sew the slanted strips on ankle rounds. I will sew on both sides. After sew slanted strips on ankle round, I will hem on both sides like that. I sewed these ankle round, both ankle round. Then I will sew the side seams of this pants. I sewed both side seams of this pant. Now I am going to sew the pleats in the center, and after that I will sew the waistband. I sewed the pleats in the center of pants. After that I will take a straight strip, and it's 3 inches wide, and after that I will sew the waistband in that. I kept a elastic in the waistband, and after sewed it looked like this. This is completed and ready to wear. It's a super simple, very stylish drop crotch pant. You can call it harem pant also. You can wear it with a t-shirt or a top. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Take care.